Preferred Health Solutions, we came up with this concept due to the frustration level that many employers feel with small group health insurance plans. As anyone that has a health insurance plan knows now, you can sign up for a health plan and there's really no underwriting with that health plan. So the rates are the rates based on the demographics, and every year renewal you get the same treatment as every other group that's out there. Well, in most cases that's been a trend to increase cost year over year. And so what we're trying to do with Preferred Health Solutions is maximize our claims management within the plan itself and be able to underwrite the groups and provide relief to customers where we can, so that we level out those increases, and hopefully over time you can see and control the cost of your health insurance coverage for you and your company.
And I guess you kind of answered this already, but what prompted Hibbs-Hallmark to start this program? Is we already offer employee benefits? Would this be an add-on, a supplemental? Tell us more about how that will work.
Well, we're still going to have our fully insured carriers that are out there, and but we have a great relationship with TPA that helped us put this together. And it's a more comprehensive look at the coverage than maybe some of the other options that are out there on the market.
Perfect. Now, you kind of went through this again, but maybe some unique aspects of Preferred Health that you might not find in your other programs in the market. A
couple of key things that I find many employers are asking for is, number one, the focus on mental health. So many people, groups out there, mental health awareness is a national concern, it's a local concern. And so we have put together a program that really goes into detail to address those mental health concerns. And we are also increased the level of virtual care that comes with it, as well as a robust national network in Cigna, so that we can offer this anywhere to anyone and be able to have more access. And again, I mentioned the claims piece earlier, but one of the driving costs of healthcare is prescription drugs. And through the management techniques that we put in place for this plan, we can help manage those claims and help people get the right drugs that they need, and make sure that we're actually doing things like taking advantage of manufacturers' rebates, being able to customize those care options for the individual and create win-win scenarios through that, so that the employer saves money, the employee saves money, and everybody goes home happier at the end of the day.
Yes. Now, what can consumers, future clients, what can they expect level of service from Preferred Health Solutions and your team? What can they expect?
Well, see, this is another great thing that we put up. You know, when you call the major carriers out there, you call an 800 number, and you know, you're cast off to somewhere in another state or another country or whatever else as far as the claims are. And again, they do a great job with what they do. But we wanted to personalize that level of care. So we have RN case managers so that we can individually help our clients. I'll give you a quick story. One of the situations that just came up is one of my clients who was recently diagnosed with cervical cancer. Well, she hadn't been to a doctor in a number of years. First time to go, she finds out that this has happened to her. She doesn't know what questions to ask, who to talk to, who to trust, what's going on with it. The case manager that we assigned to her was able to help her every step of the way through the process and be able to help her figure out that, yeah, she did need a second opinion. She did need some additional tests before they just start performing surgeries and that type of thing. And it created a confidence in her that her care was being managed and taken care of. And I can't think of anything more valuable to your group and being able to take care of your employees than having that level of care.
Hands-on approach, simplified, but also in the same time effective.
Exactly. And management of that claim all through the process. And when you have claims management, you have, you're controlling your cost that goes with that, because you're sending them for the right care, the right kind of care, and looking for those providers that are not looking to manage a claim, but actually take care of the customer, take care of that client.
Absolutely. Now, could you describe Preferred Health Solutions, if you had to, in 3 words?
Affordable, comprehensive care.
Perfect. Now, the website promises, throughout the website, it promises, easy health coverage, solution for many small businesses. Could you elaborate a little bit more on that, on how PHS is planning to do that?
Well, one of the things that we've incorporated, one of many things that we've incorporated into this program is we've created it so that we have a complete enrollment platform. So we can package in your dental, your vision, your Section 125 cafeteria plan, your COBRA administration, all of your online enrollment, and all of it through one source, one website, and be able to make it flow easy for you, your employees. The billing, the administration, everything's all in one point. And you're going to have a dedicated billing specialist, a dedicated claim specialist, and RN case managers to handle each of the claims. It really is that very personal touch that you don't get anywhere else. And that's what we're going for here. We want to take care of our clients.